Hey, I'm Deanie Klein, and Walmart has invited me to share one of my favorite summer recipes, my grilled corn salad that you could grill either indoors or outdoors, but you're gonna be making it all summer long. This is so good, and I cannot wait to show you how to make it. Let's go. All right, so let's get started making our grilled corn salad. I love the salad because it is so colorful. We're gonna put peaches in here, we're gonna grill some beautiful carrots, and of course, the star of the show, which is the corn. I'm just gonna take each carrot and just sort of slice it in half lengthwise, just like that. And this is my favorite. Check this out. All right, isn't that gorgeous? I love it so much. So I'm just gonna put these in a little sheet pan right here and just give them a little toss in some oil and some salt. And honestly, this salad you could make either raw, so you could do completely raw carrots, raw corn, and raw peaches, or you could grill it all. It really depends on what you wanna do. So we're just gonna pop these right on. And we're gonna grill these for about 7 to 8 minutes per side. I like to leave a little bit of bite to them. I don't like when they're too cooked. I like it when things are still a little bit crunchy. All right, so while those are doing their thing, we're gonna get started shucking some corn. This is fresh. You could see look at that. Oh, it's gorgeous. I love that. I love shopping for my produce at Walmart because they support local communities by stocking local produce. So that means my corn's not sitting on a truck for 2 weeks trying to get to my store. That is how you know it's fresh. All right, let's check on the carrots. I think we are ready to flipperoo. Look at that. Oh, that is the best part about grilling. You have those gorgeous char marks that I love. You get that smokiness from the grill. All right, we're gonna give it 1 more minute, and then we're gonna pop our corn in there. To prep the corn, same thing, olive oil and salt. So basic. All right, so now I'm just gonna season our corn with a little bit of salt, and beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna pull the carrots off and just pop them right over here, and then we're just gonna cut them for our salad. This is a great salad to just throw in the grill. And the corn, we're just gonna keep rotating every so often so that we evenly coat the corn on all sides and get some nice little char marks and cook it through. All right, while the corn is on the grill, we're gonna get started assembling the actual salad. So I just have a little bowl here. And honestly, I'm all about using whatever you have in your fridge. So if you have romaine in your fridge, go right ahead. Spinach leaves, I like to use arugula. I think it has a really nice peppery flavor, which I love. And we're just gonna chop our carrots here. And I'm just gonna really roughly cut them on a bias. And this is all about rustic, kind of farm to table. Look how pretty that looks. I love that so much. All right, so I'm just turning my corn around. You're gonna keep rotating them until you get those little marks. You see the marks are starting to develop there. So we're gonna get started cutting our peaches, and you see these colors are starting to look so gorgeous. And I like to just cut around the pit on either side like that. So you have 2 kind of half moons. I'm just gonna start popping these right on my grill pan. And then for these ones, I just kind of go around both sides and stick these on as well. Just gonna turn my corn again. So the corn will take about 10 minutes or so to fully cook through. So I just have a little high-speed blender over here. We're gonna add in some herbs. I like to use fresh basil because this time of year, oh, so good. Also, I just love basil. And I'm also using tarragon, which kind of has like a little anise kind of flavor, a little bit of a licoricey flavor. I love. I have some apple cider vinegar. This is the best. You just do it all in here and it just blends up for you. There's no chopping, no dicing, nothing. I have a garlic clove. We have some lemon juice, fresh lemon juice, a little bit of mustard, and mustard is great in dressings because it's an emulsifier. We're just gonna season it up with a little bit of pepper and some salt. And we're just gonna finish it with a little bit of olive oil. I'm gonna start with that amount. We're gonna blend it up, and then if we need more, I'm just gonna kind of blitz it in as the machine is going. How pretty is that? It's gonna go all over your salad. And I like to leave it with little pieces of green. I like when you kind of know what's in your dressing. I'm just gonna take this dressing off. That looks so beautiful. All right, let's check on our peaches and our corn. I think the peaches are ready. Look at that. How pretty that is. Gorgeous. So at this point, I just pop them off because I don't wanna get them too mushy or cooked. I just had to cook one side of them, get those yummy char marks. Summer to me is just all about easy summer entertaining, where you don't have to spend that much time in the kitchen. You could really rely on great seasonal fresh produce. Flipping my corn again. Looking good. The corn's gonna take about like another 5 minutes or so. But in the meantime, we're gonna get started cutting up our peaches. All right, these peaches smell so good. So all we're gonna do, just kind of cut them into these little slivers and throw them in your bowl. And again, this salad, the more rustic it looks, the better. I want it to look like it just came off of a farm. I'll throw it on the grill, went right on the table. And we have our hero, the corn. I really like it when the corn is still like a little bit crunchy. Look at this. You just have these gorgeous little yummy pearls of sweetness throughout. Look at that. We're gonna take our dressing. It smells so good. That combination of the basil and the tarragon, it just screams summer. And you could put this on anything. You could like make a double batch of this and have it for the week. Just top everything with it. Look at that. And then we have our sunflower seeds. I just like that little bit of crunch in a salad. All right, so let's plate this up. This looks so good. Look at these colors. Oh my God, the peach, that corn. All right, let's dig in. This looks so good. Little bite with the peach and the corn, the arugula. Cheers, you guys. That corn is unbeatable. Look at this. You still see those little char marks throughout. You have those little crunchiness from the sunflower seeds. This salad is so easy to throw together. Just grab your produce, throw it on a grill, make a fabulous dressing. You have a real winner all summer long. I hope you guys make it.